Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. So the integration of cosine y over z dz, this one we just concentrate about y and dy. Z in here in this situation just like the constant. So if we do this integration in here, we have z sine yz and we put the bounds from 0 to sz for y. This one I will put in here. Number 0 I will put in here. Because we put number 0 in here, you got 0. Sine of number 0, you got 0. Z divided by z, we have number 1. The integration of sine x, we have negative cosine x. We put b over 2 cone here, z cone here. Cosine b over 2, you got 0. So we just have only z cosine z. So in this situation, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to z. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. dv, that is about cosine z dz. The integration of this one, we have v equals to sine z. So we have u multiplied by v. Minus, we have du multiplied by v. The integration of negative sine z, we have positive cosine z. Now we put b over 2 cone here, number 0 cone here. Similar for the second one. So this one we have b over 2. This one we have negative number 1. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.